Hey guys, we recently had an ice storm and it took its toll on the yard. There are trees, not all the trees are down, but branches, everything. It it's not good. That's what the trees look like now. Here's our driveway. As you can see, electrical wires are down. Not all the way down, but they're sagging. It's not good. It's gonna be fun cleaning this up on the weekend, isn't it? This dogwood tree used to be leaning all the way up, and now it's not. There's our oak tree that got completely destroyed. We're lucky that branch didn't hit the garage itself. I'm gonna back away from the trees before a branch falls on me. We had to move the cars out to the middle of the yard. I hear a breeze coming, and that's not always good because that's whenever branches fall. It sounds like gunshots every time one falls. It's just not good. A bunch of stuff fell over there. Half a tree fell right here. We lost all electricity. Had to sleep in the den last night with a gas fire going, and we had to cook soup on an old-fashioned grill. It's not old-fashioned, I'm just kidding. Top of a tree fell over there, and it's still just sitting there. Saw my dad drive by over there. We stocked up on soup. But yeah, I'm gonna go see what it's like whenever I hit the basketball goal. It's frozen. But yeah, I just wanted to inform you guys what's going on my end of the woods. Our yew trees are leaning. They're frozen over. Everything is frozen over here. You guys should leave comments saying what it's like where you guys live. I don't know if the same is happening to everybody else, but I know what's happening down here. So yeah, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.